All right, let's review this question. It's from the homework number 6. Are you done? We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, show the ball, okay? This is from the homework. If you already did it, just copy the graph. I want you to see if you did it right, okay? All right, count 1, 2, 3. Everybody raise the middle ball. 1, 2, 3. Great. Good. David Younger, do you have it? Good. All right. So actually, everybody got. I think everybody got it right. Okay. So maybe for those who were absent or didn't really understand the last lesson, so here we go. The first thing we need to do is to graph the polynomial. What is the first thing we need to do? Melanie?
X is equal to negative.
X equal to?
Positive to negative 2 will be double.
They're both double root because it is a square. Okay.
And then LC will be positive.
Okay. So we're gonna find the LC. LC is positive because
It's squared.
because the number in the front is positive. Okay, that's where the LC is. So positive. That means the right end they're gonna go where? Go up. So this is the right. The right gonna go up. Okay, so we kind of review lesson 2. And the left gonna go, what is the degree then? The degree is even because you're gonna count for the x, okay? How many x we see here? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So even. Even means you can just copy this one down because they have the same direction. Okay, let's give Melanie 1 point. Oh.
I did it, but I did it wrong. Yeah, I think it was no, you're right.
It's even.
I think it was yeah.
So right go up, left also go up. Okay. Let's back into the graph.
Even in public doesn't think okay.
So negative 2. 2. Again, usually when it's a square, a DR, I do like this. I put a square in there. So remind me that's going to be square. That's going to be DR. What's special about DR? It's going to be bounced. Okay, they're not going to cut through. But always draw the 2 ends first. The 2 ends going to take care of you that issue, the DR issue. So on the right, go up. That means on the point on very right, I'm going to go up. The point on the left go down. That means the point on very left, I'm going to go up. I'm sorry, this is still go up. All right. We're missing 1 point. What is that? It's going to be the middle of the solution. Where's the middle of negative 2 and 2? 0. Why 0 cannot be on the x-axis?
It is not solution.
Because it is not a solution. Very good. Let's give another 1 point. So how can I find a 0? Look at another 0.
T-table.
You're going to use t-table. Okay, look at the 0. What did you have?
0.
So negative 2 square and 2 square. Negative 2 square is 4. Negative 2 square is positive 4, right? 4 times 4 is 16. So the point, again, you don't need to get exactly 16 here. Just put some point and say this is 0, 16. You don't need to be exact. Okay? So in order to pass this point, the graph needs to go up. And that means this needs to be bounced. So it's automatically take care of the bounce. Okay. So in case you don't remember the DR. All right, 12. Let's write your answer on the 12 on the meeting whiteboard. Yeah, only last period, only 7 students got it right. So let's see. Okay, give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the 12. Write the answer on the meeting whiteboard.
I got 2 and 4. No, but like that one was
That's what I'm saying.
like I said, like it's on the inside, like just ignore everything else.
Okay, then I'm up here.
I'm letting them do it.
I don't know.
Okay, can I ask that why you do it?
He's always.
That's why you said it because Donna and I was like,
He never well, plus minus.
I was scared.
It's even, it's even.
Yes, it's scary that there.
It's even.
Wait, because like, even if it's like. What would this be, plus minus? Would it be minus?
Bro, honestly, I'm done. We gotta find the GCD.
What?
Find the GCD. Split them into two.
No, yeah, I just, but like, would this be two answers or one answer? Okay, I'm gonna bring plus minus two, like,
Those are the two, right? Yeah.
So two answers?
Yeah.
What are?
I gotta do this, but we gotta find the GCD.
So it's plus minus? You could be right too. You're more likely right. That, not. Mr. Can I do? It's even?
It's even.
All right, is that everybody done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. You're gonna raise your ball. Okay, everybody raise your ball. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, look like. Oh, you need to be checking. So that is correct. Oh yeah, you need to be checking in. So we have 2, 3, 4. Oh, you need to check again. 4, 5,
So like plus minus is double.
6.
Make sure you're right.
Yeah, only counting. Yeah. So we also have only 7. Okay. 7 students got it right. Same as period 2. Okay, so let's go over this. In order to sketch them, you need to have a solution. But this is not in a factor form. It is standard form, right? We cannot tell the solution right away. So we need to,
Find the GCD.
yeah, right. But there's no GCD. We need to factor it. That's the first step last time, but they didn't do the factor. Okay. So Claire, let's go. You guys. 4 term grouping, right? Grouping. Remember grouping? So GCD are the first two. X minus 2, -4, x also minus 2. Okay. And then x minus 2 is a common factor. You take them out. X minus 2 out. What do you have left? Okay. So can you tell the solution now? X equal to plus minus 2. What's special about this? Yeah, it is double root. This is 2. You also see another 2 right here. So 2 x equal to 2 actually is a double root. Yeah. 1 point for grading. Now, -2 is here. It's kind of similar to the one we just did, number 6. It's 2 here, but only the 2 here is DR. Okay. Now, what is the middle number? 0, still 0. T table to get where the 0 exactly is. So 0, where do I plug it in? It's better. Is it the bottom one here? This one? This one? This one better. Okay. Yes, I told you before the number is plugged in here is better, but only specifically 0. Only 0 plugged in here better because when you plug in 0, this gone. We have 8. Yeah. Only 0, then the standard form is easier. But if odd number, then plug it in on a factor form is better. Okay, does it make sense? All right. 0, 8, just plug in the point here, say this is 0 and 8. All right, LC. Degree. What is the LC? Positive. Right, with positive. So the right end, I'm gonna skip right this, the right end gonna go up. Okay, the right gonna go up. All right, degree. Last period, have student count for x right here. Oh, 3, 2, 1, so 6 is even. Do we count the x on the standard form? No, remember degree is the highest power, so the highest power is 3. Only when the factor form, you need to count for x, but on the standard form, the highest power is already there for you. So don't be confused, okay? So this is odd. So the left end go down, okay? Do I lost you already? Yeah, any questions so far? Okay, we just review. The right go up. So the point on very right, just start from there, go up. The left go down because left, this is odd, so there needs to be different direction. So the point of very left go down. Okay, this point, this route needs to pass this point, so you kind of have the idea how this goes, okay? And it automatically take care of the DR. See, if you draw the two end first, you won't get this mistake on the DR. So DR, I want to introduce you on also the word multiplicity. Multiplicity, it just means how many repeated on the root. Like 2. The multiplicity of the 2 is 2. The multiplicity of the -2 is 1. It's just how many times you see that root. Yeah. So multiplicity is the repeat. Let's see how I rephrase it. You can say like this. So multiplicity of a root is how many times the root is repeated. Like 2 DR is the multiplicity is 2 because it's repeated twice. See, and then because later on you can see some root that repeated 3 times. So the multiplicity of that root is 3. You just need to know the term. I'm not going to ask you anything about this multiplicity. Yes.
On the test, do we have to put the 0.8?
Well, yes, because that's the point on the
So we
on
have
here.
to-
Yeah.
So we don't get point off?
At least if you don't have here, then you need to get the T table.
Okay.
Like for me to know that you got the correct number. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So are we good? Can we erase it? Today is the last technique you're gonna learn for the factoring. After today, no more factoring. Okay. I mean, no more learning new technique. But you still have to factoring on the like not next lesson. Okay. Why always rational 0? Just one part. 120 example.
Oh my.
Just 7. Okay, just 7.
Just 20?
All right.
Just 20.
Just 20.
Just.
Only 20. See, that's not a lot.
Still, you didn't mean 40?
Huh?
Oh, did it mean 40?
You want 40?
Oh, why do you think 1 point?
How many times the root is repeated? Repeated, yeah.
2 times.
Oh, no. It's just because I got question right. How do I write this? Okay. How many times the root is repeated? That's not a question. That's a statement. Okay. All right. Find rational. Let's see which one we should talk first. All right. Let's talk about rational first. Rational first. You know what rational is?
Not reasonable.
You got a good idea. Okay. Can I erase this now? All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I have some, but I don't.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's talk about number system. It's kind of out of the, it's not important on the lessons, but because we're talking about rational, I want you to really understand what is the rational. Okay. I don't know if you still remember. We did talk about a number system. Or this is for every map. Whether later on you go to whatever map you go, they still have the number system. The smallest number system is, who know?
Plural.
Plural. Natural number.
Oh, natural? Neutral.
Natural number. What is a natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the positive, no 0. both zero, sometimes they put at the natural as well, but it's controversial. They still argue, okay. What is the bigger than what is the bigger of natural number? Integer. What is the letter? Do you know the letter for integer?
I N C E D
I'll just say, oh, 24 alphabet. You got it?
Z.
Z.
I told you.
Yeah, yeah. Z is, you didn't say Z? Okay, so let's see if we can get 1 point. Z is integer. What is integer? So integer include the natural number plus
The negative.
the negative. Yeah, so the negative also here. Like you also have -1, -2, -3, 0. Yeah. What is the bigger number than the integer?
No.
100.
We're not counting. We're not middle school. We're not middle school.
Infinity.
Huh?
Infinity.
That's solution.
Russian numbers. I don't know.
Rational number. Very good.
Oh, wow.
Naming random like you.
Is that a Q?
Yeah, the letter is Q. I don't know where they just got the N is right. Then later on, it just I don't know where they got this number. Maybe you can Google it. Why is it? But it's Q. Q is rational number. What is rational number? That include integer and a positive is already on the integer.
Integers and natural numbers.
Oh, natural number including there already. Fraction. Let's give Louis 1 point. You just said it?
That's a decimal.
Oh, decimal is not fraction.
Oh,
You said fraction? Okay. Let give Kelly 1 point. And Louis 1 point.
I almost said it. That's it.
I want to say that too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I said it 3 times in a row, like Mr.
I just say.
All right, let's give him 1 point. Okay, anyway, fraction. Fraction. Only the number can be right, a fraction. Okay. So is 3 rational?
Yeah.
Why you taking so long to think about it? Is 3 rational?
Yeah.
So obvious.
Yeah.
Why? First, 3 is integer. 3 is also natural, right? So for sure, 3 is rational. Also, if you think about rational, 3 is 6 divided by 2. As long as you can write as a fraction, that's rational. Is pi rational?
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No, no.
No.
Can you write pi as a fraction? No.
Making a letter.
Pi, they still figure out. I think they only got to like 800 billion number already, but they're still figuring out. It's a finite number. You can never write pi as a fraction. So pi is not rational. Okay. So rational zeros. That's what we're gonna want to find. That some number can be a fraction, can be negative, can be positive, but it cannot be decimal. What is the bigger one?
Irrational.
Irrational.
Unreal.
Irrational just okay. So rational plus irrational is become this. So what is the name of this?
Why?
Irrational plus what?
You know this before. When I even write this, you know. Oh yeah, we know this.
Unreal. Imaginary. I.
Real,
Oh.
real number.
She said it though.
Who? Again?
She said it.
Then you just speak
I
loud.
don't know.
I didn't. Oh no, I didn't hear it. See?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah. All right. So real number include rational, include integer, include natural number, also include decimal. So is pi a real number?
Yes.
After the whole talk, and then you said no. Is pi a decimal?
Yes.
Yes. So pi is a real number. Real number is kind of already a very big system already. We mostly work with the real number, but that's the biggest one. The biggest number system is
False.
Unreal.
someone just say it.
Unreal.
Imagine.
Imaginary,
What is that consist?
and that is
Why?
Zero.
B.
zero.
B. B.
F.
C.
Why C?
I don't know. I'm finding out letters. What the hell?
Complex.
There's a Q on the fraction.
Complex number. Yeah, C state actually only C or and they actually using the abbreviation. C stand for complex. this is real, this is rational, this is integer, and this is natural. Okay, I think they use Q for rational because they want to different from the real. Okay. Anyway, so C, what is C? C include real, rational, integer, natural, and huh? Why so random? Coefficient. Coefficient is a number.
Square, like, cube, I don't know.
No, you just say it. Imaginary. Complex. Imaginary.
Infinity.
Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, this is just something you should know. You really.
How you know?
I mean, you should know. I'm not gonna test about it, but you just should know
know.
something interesting. Okay. Okay.
No.
Okay. Again, you don't need to know. Okay. But I think if you plan to go further math, you should know this system. This is yeah. Okay. How you find order zero? What is zero? Zero is also means solution. How do you find order solution here? We only learned this. All right, Carlos.
Equals 0.
Huh?
We give you probably.
Padding combination. Yeah, padding combination. 4, what two number multiplied by 4? 2, 4. 2 and 2. Can 2 and 2 give you 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember this padding combination. So 2, 2 plus. What is the solution then? X is -2.
Double root.
Double root. Very good. So why are we doing this again? I want to review for you all the factoring. Okay. Now let me move this over here.
Oh.
So if you don't want to be, you can move. But yeah. Yes. All right. Let's watch here.
What's the footage?
Factoring method. Let's review again. The very first thing always is GCD. Always do that first. 2 terms. Formula. Okay. 3 terms. Yeah, padding combination and smiley way. What is smiley way again? Yeah, what is
First one was the first one. I feel like
How did you get?
that is foil. Smile. Right. Smiley way is also the padding combination, but it dealing with something like you have a number at the front. For example, if you have something three at the front, that's smiley. It's still padding combination. Yeah.
The last, if it's positive, right? If it's positive, it's the one in the middle.
Yeah, if it's positive, then the same sign.
If it's negative,
Right. It's negative, one negative, positive. 3 and 1.
wait, let me write that.
What's your
Sorry.
name?
A padding combination is 3 and 1. Padding combination is 1. 2 is 2. 1 and 4. Remember all the back matter? Remember this?
We write that.
No.
We write that. Nobody said.
If you remember, okay, you don't need to write this because I'm gonna give you the note about this, okay?
Okay.
3 terms, 3 terms already done. 4 terms. Grouping. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we learn the last one. When is more than 4 terms or none of above works. Okay, you will see.
P over Q.
P over Q, that's the rational root theorem. I will tell you what happens. Okay, so when more than 4 terms or none of above works, you want to use
P.
rational root.
Thank you.
Okay, that's what we're gonna learn today. I will give you. Don't want you to take picture. I will give you the paper. Yeah.
P over Q, that's it?
P over Q. You learned that already?
No. The rational root theorem.
Yeah,
The
P
same
of-
thing, right?
Yeah, that was really P over Q. So I give you the note. This one also include a factoring method here, and then also the step by step for the rational root theorem. Okay. Okay, I'll also say that too. So that 2 part. Oh, do it for me. I actually didn't check before I bring it out because it's kind of late. So I'm missing the letter P and the letter Q Q on the step 2 and 3, and step 4, list all the P over Q, blah blah blah, of P over Q. I'm missing that letter. On the step 2, 3, 4, yeah. So fix your notes right here. Because my data was out here, and then I got it first. Sorry, sorry, bro. My apologize. Let's fix your notes. The step 2, 3, and 4. I wrote it on the board. So constant call. You see the flags? Call P. Leading coefficient call Q.
That's right.
Yeah, it is. It's very sick.
Yeah, again, step 2, you see, list all the factor of the constant, call. After call, there's nothing, right here over there, okay? Step 3, list all the factor of the leading coefficient, call Q. And then step 4, list all the P over Q. And then below, you'll see possible rational solution, aka 0 of the polynomial R of P over Q. So I'm missing those four places.
Why do you say that? No, it's just like so weird.
I have a problem, sorry.
You cannot do. All right, ready?
Oh,
All right, ready?
no.
All right, ready? All right, ready?
Is it?
Mister.
All right, ready? Yeah? Oh my life. Oh, forgot, we need to write it.
Yeah.
Huh?
I forgot. We both did it for the first, yeah.
Huh?
That was it for the first question.
Yeah, that's it, because we found all the rational 0. We already found it.
So you're just finding the solution?
That's a solution.
It's sure these guys are confusing.
We just need to find a solution. Huh? Are we ready? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
What is the multiplicity of a -2?
Two.
One
Huh?
is not a 2, it's like the double.
Sure. Ready? Yes?
Yeah.
You don't even have notes. Okay, you do. Okay.
Why?
How many terms are there?
Uh,
5. Is grouping gonna work?
No,
No.
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 Is parting combination gonna work?
No.
Formula?
No.
Okay, so only way you do is rational root theorem. Okay, actually it's not too hard. It's very easy. It links to the synthetic division. If you actually read the step by step. First, I'm gonna show you step by step. Don't worry. First, you're gonna list all the factors of constant. What is the constant?
2.
2. So this is the P. Okay. So you're gonna find all the factors. Let's write it every time. Let's write it so you know where to go. P, Q, and P over Q. Okay, let's write this. It's kind of a guide for you to know what you're going to do. Okay. So P is 2. What are the factors of 2? 1, 2.
2, 1, 2.
That's it.
1/2.
No, you can, huh? -1, -2. Very good. Let's give Kelly 1 point. So plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Okay, because 2 also can divide by -1. 2 can also divide by -2. Okay. Now Q is the leading coefficient. What is the leading coefficient here? 1. The leading, again, leading term is the highest power, and then leading coefficient is the number in front of it. So there's no number here, that means invisible one. So this is the Q, okay? What is the factor of one?
Plus minus one.
Plus minus one. Yeah, plus minus one. Don't forget the negative, okay? Now, P divided by Q. Well, actually, you just divide it by one. So basically, this whole thing is P divided by Q. Does it make sense? So B divided by Q is 1 divided by 1. What is 1 divided by 1?
One.
1. And 2 divided by 1 as well. So what 2 divided by 1? Is 2. So basically, if the Q is 1, you just copy the P. That's what I meant, yeah? Because you divided by 1. Well, just do P divided by Q. Yeah? Which one?
Where did you get the one for the first part?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh. So read the step by step. First, you're gonna find a constant. What is the constant? 2, right? You're gonna list all the divisor of 2. 2 can divide it by 1. 2 can divide it by 2. Right? That's it, right? 2 also can divide by -1. 2 can also divide by -2. You need to list all of them out. Yeah? 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 Now Q is the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is 1. Because there's no number, that means invisible 1. And then what is the factor of 1? Only 1 and -1, right? And now what you do next is on the step 3, you're gonna list all the P over Q. P over Q is 1 over 1, that is still 1. And then 2, you need to do all of them. 2 over 1 is 2. I will go so far.
So the P is like.
P is the
last
constant.
one? The last one?
Yeah, P is the last one. You can think like that too.
Okay.
And then Q is the first one. You can think like that too. Yeah. Constant and leading coefficient. So this is actually the last one. This is the first one.
Okay.
I actually like it. Think about this. P is the last one and the first one. I will go so far. All right. Next, what you gonna do? Is let me tell you what rational root theorem say. Rational theorem said, so that's on your note too. The one inside the parenthesis. So rational root theorem say that all this number P over Q is the candidate for the solution. They can possibly the rational solution, but not all of them. Yeah, not all of them, but these are the candidates. These are the rational zero. The possibly can be the rational zero. But how do we know which one is this? We need to do the synthetic division. Okay. So normally we need to check all of them, but if you just try with 1, -1, 2, -2, the chance is 90% you can get it the solution right away. So next step is you're gonna check these 4 candidates. Okay, what number you want to check first? 1. Let's start with 1. Okay. Do you remember synthetic division?
Yeah.
Okay, who wants to do this?
Wait,
All right, Omar.
wait, with that, with like putting up there?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so it's gonna be 1, -1, -1, -1, -1, and -2.
-2. Okay.
And then
What's the first step?
You're gonna bring down the 1. And
You did wrong, gonna check point up. Yeah, this is all 1. Okay.
You're gonna
Ready?
multiply it with the 1.
Sure?
You're gonna get 1.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
Confident?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, 1.
And
What
then
next?
You're gonna add those
Are you
together.
add or you subtract them?
Or like, it's the same thing. Combine them. Just combine them.
Combine them?
So it's gonna be 0. And then
Okay.
you're gonna multiply the 1 with 0, and it's gonna be 0.
Okay.
It's gonna be -1.
Okay.
And then you're gonna multiply those, so there's gonna be -1, there's gonna be 0. Well, like combine them, and then you're gonna
Combine them, what do you have?
-2, -2, -2.
-2, that's 0, -2.
And then you're gonna add like.
Can you
the
hear what he's
x's,
saying? You're probably not now. Okay.
and then you're
-2
gonna-
times 1 is
-2,
-2.
-2.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Add them, you have
-4.
-4.
And then you're gonna add the x's.
Right. But is 1 the solution?
No. Great. What?
No.
Is 1 the solution?
No.
How do you know?
Does it match up?
What matter?
I don't know. Oh.
Because the remainder is not 0. Only when the remainder is 0, then this is a solution. So this is not a solution, okay? Don't erase it. Because along the way, you probably forget what number you already tried. So keep it as a receipt, okay? Yep, Marani. You should do all positive and negative one.
I think you should do -1.
Yeah, let's do negative one. That's why, okay, basically, these are candidates. You need to check all of them. But if you just alternate positive, negative, the chance is you can get the solution in the first few tries, okay? So let's try with -1. Oh, did I give you 1 point already? Okay, I'll give Elma 1 point. Who wants to try with the -1? Okay, let's go.
So you break down the one, you multiply with the -1, with using -1, you combine them, -2, multiply with the other one, +2, you combine them, gives you 1, multiply it, -1, combine them, -2, multiply it 2.
Oh.
Remainder.
Zero remainder, 1 point for David, yeah? So this is the solution. Now, the last step we need to do is, oh, not the last step, but what are we gonna write?
The x, right? So 3.
So -1 is a solution, okay?
X.
If I want to write x at a -1 is solution, what do I need to write here? So we convert this one into 2 parentheses. And we know that -1 is the solution. What wanna go on the little one? Melanie. X plus 1. You flip the sign. Remember if this is a +2, then the solution is -2.
Oh,
So if you know -1 is solution, you still need to flip it. So x plus 1, okay? 1 point for clarity. And then Melanie, what do you think is put it here? X squared minus
when is x?
Oh,
When is
what
x?
X, minus X.
what do we put here? What do you think?
X squared.
Huh? Younger?
X cubed.
X cube? That's it.
Wait, wait.
X cubed.
Are we talking about that one?
What is the last information you didn't use?
Oh, the minus none of the.
Huh?
The exponent.
The exponent go down? We didn't use this information.
That's
So
why.
that's gonna be x cube, right? One power less from here.
X
Remember?
squared
Remember synthetic division? Yeah, and then this one gonna be x square and
and x.
x. That's gonna go down here. You actually break each one into 2 parentheses. One is on the divisor and one on this here, okay? So x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 2. Are we done yet?
No.
No, you didn't find all the solution, okay?
Oh, the
That's what I was
two?
gonna ask.
The two?
Oh, yeah. Well, how many solutions this polynomial should have? 2, 3,
No,
4? Why 4?
because the degree is four.
Remember what I told that before? The degree is indicates how many solutions you have, okay? So you already found one, it's a -1. Do we need to do the rational theorem again for this?
No. we
Oh,
don't.
well, if you have time, you have fun, you enjoy it, you can do it again, but what can we do?
It's my degree.
Grouping, 4 terms, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do grouping now. You don't need to do rational root theorem. You can help me with grouping, easy. Fernando, let's go.
X squared parentheses x minus 2.
Very good. Right? What is the common factor? What is next?
Uh,
I think here's the.
X minus 2,
Right. What do you have left?
x squared,
Mhm. What do you have left from this group? One.
1
Right.
plus
Exponent 2, you took down exponent 2, you have 1 left. Okay, 1 point for Fernando. Now, what is the final answer? Don't be too excited and then just stop right here. You don't give me the solution, you get point off, okay? Again, they're asking you for the rational zero, okay? What is solution? X equal to -1, easy. X equal to +2, easy. X equal to,
-1.
yes, that's your point off.
I-
Minus imaginary.
Yes, the other one said that
I-
is I, but do we count about I?
No, right.
Rational, we don't care about I. We want rational. So there's nothing over here. Okay? But actually, yeah, this is if you want to find root, that's going to be imaginary root. but we don't want the monetary root. It's tell specifically rational zero only. So only two solution.
So you do the two, the plus minus.
Y plus minus two.
No. Because there's the two of them.
No, this is two already. Huh?
That's it.
That's it. Well, that total four solution, right? Yes, there are actually four solutions, but two real and two unreal. But we don't need to care about unreal, so you don't need to answer the unreal. So just answer this.
Wait, so like, what do we do with the plus minus two?
Okay, this is the candidates.
It's just there?
It's just candidate, like they can possibly the solution, but not 100% is the solution.
So if you find it,
Mhm.
first time you don't do it for the other one?
No, you don't need to find already. So negative two is not a solution. Yeah, negative two is not solution, and one is also not solution.
Yeah.
These are just possibilities. They can be a solution. Not all of them a solution. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Good. Any other question? So basically that is the rational root theorem. So you need to find P over Q and do synthetic to find it, to break it down. That's it.
I need to copy that, because I like.
Just copy it.
Right. That's a lot. Is there an easier way? Mister?
Yeah?
Is there an easier way?
No, that's the only way. The easy way is you're gonna put on a Google. Yes, but
Let's say that you didn't have x squared, right? It was just x, when you did this in.
right, you get a zero. So this is the real synthetic we learned before. Right, it's the same. So if you don't have the power, you need to plug in the period at zero. Okay. But a question.
Mhm.
All right, number three. Grouping,
No good.
not grouping.
We can't do the.
You can do something.
No.
Why?
Smiley way.
Smiley way.
No homework.
No, brainstorm. This fourth term, well, fourth term, Mr. Fourth term is grouping, right? But do you think grouping gonna work?
No,
No, how do I know? You can look at the number, the friend.
13.
Okay, so this is 1, -3, this is -3, 13 and 15. They're not the same. You don't have a common factor. You can try, but grouping not gonna work. So grouping doesn't work. All right, so grouping, if none of both method works, then you're gonna use the rational root theorem, okay? Without looking at the note, can you tell me what the first step you're gonna do? PQ, P over Q, yeah, PQ, P over Q. What is P? 15, right? What is the factor of 15?
5 and 3.
Well, let's start from small to large, so you don't miss anything. Always plus minus 1, right? What's the next one?
15.
Plus minus. Let's go from increasing order. 3. So that make sure that you don't miss any number. What else? 5 and 15. What is Q? 1. I won't give you any big number, okay? So it's plus minus 1. And again, when you see Q is 1, then P over Q is just the same as the P, right? Because you divided by 1. It's just nothing happened. So actually this is P over Q right here. You can read. Okay. I know how many totals candidates for the solution?
8.
8. Because plus and minus. Okay, so total 8. But you don't need to check the all 8.
Only one works. Or it's gonna be like 2.
Okay, what number you want to try? 3, 1. Well, my recommendation is just start with 1, -1, 2, -2. Don't jump around, okay? Usually the first few is gonna give you the
I'll
solution.
do 5.
15, how about 15?
No.
All right, 1. Who can help me with synthetic? Get some point, we're listening point today. Valerie, let's go. All right. 1 pound for Valerie. Who want to fix this? All right, David.
What?
Oh, what?
Do it?
So what you were saying?
Do you want me to do it?
Who wants to fix this? Okay, Ruby.
You're wrong, Mr.
You're wrong.
Who wants to correct me? Oh, that I'm wrong. That's why I said correct you. Okay, let's go. David. My bad.
What?
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, then you, then,
Well, we should try any number. We should try any number. It can be 1, it can be -1.
Wait, he
But
was
we
wrong.
try the 1 first.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a candidate, right? This is a candidate. So you can try 1, you can try -1. It's fine.
So I did it wrong?
No, you did it right. I was wrong.
I
I'm
told,
testing you.
I told you.
I so multiply them, then one,
Oh, David doing it. Okay, David doing it.
after you multiply them by one. Then you combine them -2, multiply them again, -2,
Okay.
-15. Multiply it, and -15. Multiply it, -15. no,
Oh, so this is work, right? So this is gonna work. 0 remainder. All right. Now, Ruby, what do you want to do next? Yeah, fill the x first.
Mr. You didn't give X squared.
Yeah, give David 1 point. So this is equal to x squared. X, okay. How can you write this? 1 is the solution. So when you put on a parenthesis, what is this then? -1, right? You flip the sign. Remember, if it is x plus 1, then the solution is s is -1. So if you know 1 is solution, you need to flip it. So x minus 1. And what is the here? Very good. Okay, 1 point for Ruby. Are we done yet?
No.
No, you're not giving all the solution. But do you need to do the rational root theorem for this one?
No.
Oh, well, if you like it, then you can just do it, but you don't need to. 3 term, what are you gonna do? Combination. 15, what are 2 numbers multiplied to 15? 3 and 5. You think 3 and 5 give you 2?
Yes.
Yes, so that's faster. Don't do the rational root theorem. That's long way, okay? What is the sign? Plus and minus. What is the solution? Let's go to 1. Why is quiet? X equal to 1. X equal to
If Donna was here, she would be still
She would slap you.
only when they have a square. Only when they have a square. X is 5.
It doesn't count if it's a solution. So what if your girlfriend?
Any questions?
Oh, she does.
She does, she did
She
that.
used to. That's all I had.
What do you need? I can give up on this.
And you're saying
She was like that.
Okay.
What if the constant
Hey,
fraction?
why is the problem with the guy?
Because you're
I thought- Those are goalies.
I knew I did that, and I don't.
Oh, you took one GCD.
Think about this. Think about this. What are you gonna do?
GCD. GCD is 7. No, wait, no. The 7 times 4 should be.
You know, like, you think that would never happen. Like,
14.
you guys really do it.
7. 7 times 4 is 28. Yeah.
She said.
X. No, it's just X. X.
I'm not get slapped by you guys.
It's just X.
All right, what we're gonna do first?
Find the GCD.
Find the GCD, right, Donovan? So tell me what is this? What is GCD?
X.
Why you know this is you need to do the GCD? If you forgot about factoring, You start finding a constant. Is there any constant?
I feel like
No.
No, there's no constant. Constant is the one without a letter. Okay. Also constant in number. There's no x. So if you start finding a constant, you don't see any constant. That means you know you can check a GCD. Okay. So check out the x. You have x cubed minus 28x and minus 48. Three terms. Can we do finding combination?
No.
Smiley way.
Why we cannot use finding combination?
Because the degree of freedom is on, and you can't split it into two.
Exactly. That's very clear. Let's clear in one point. This is cube. Remember, finding combination is only when you have the square x and here, because when you have x times x, the x squared. The cube, you cannot do anything. Yeah. So don't do the finding combination. If you see this one, it's odd, like Greg says. Okay. All right. Then you need to do the combination. I mean, rational root theorem. What is a p? Oh, look, it's 48. We have a lot of number. Okay. I'm going to show you how to list all the number without missing anything. What is the first one? Always. Plus minus 1. Let's go up. 2. Cannot be divided by 2? Yes, right? Because that's even number. So plus minus 2. How about 3?
Yeah.
Can 48 divided by 3? How do you know if a number can be divided by 3? Yeah, you still remember. If you add 2 numbers, add them all. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 can be divided by 3. So that number can be divided by 3. What next? Can this divide by 4? 4? Yeah. Can it divide by 5? No, 5 only. The last number is 5 and 0. Okay. About 6. What next? 7? No. What 8? All right. So here we go. I want to show you how you're not going to miss anything. If you divide 48 by 8, what did you get? 6. So after this point, they actually repeated whatever here. Okay. 48 divided by 6, you got 8. 48 divided by 4, that's going to be the next number. 12, right? So plus minus 12. So you don't need to check in the between. You know what I meant? So actually, this is when you take the product, this one only over give you 48. 6 and 8, they already give you 48. So that like a middle point. Like this one going to be product going to be 48 again. And then next one, you're going to get 48 divided by 3. What do you get?
16.
16 plus minus 16. And then next 48 divided by 2, 24. And last one, 48 divided by 1 is 48. So that's, you don't miss any number. Okay. How many total candidates for a solution? Too many. 20.
Oh, I mean 20.
Yeah, 10, but then you have plus and minus. Okay. But then what is the Q? Q is 4 plus minus 1. So basically this whole thing is a candidate. Okay.
That's 2.
What does that mean?
What? Which one?
Where are the other
Oh.
choices?
P divided by Q, right? But because Q is 1, what is 7 divided by 1? 7, right? So what all the number here divided by 1 is still that number. I just lazy to write that again.
Bro.
Look at this. I can write this, but this is like 10 of them. Same thing.
I don't know how to say it with the straight face though.
Because I didn't realize it.
Oh.
If they use
Yeah?
the last.
All right, good.
No, I don't get it. I just-
Okay, never mind.
I'm sorry.
What number you want to try?
I want to get it like.
Huh? Let's go from 1, -1, 2, and 2. Okay.
What should be making?
1. Who wants to do synthetic division? Chris, let's go. 0. Yeah. Don't forget the 0. Why 0 here?
There's no X.
Because there's no x cubed. Okay. What else, Chris? Negative 28. Negative 48. Okay. Drop it down.
Just watch the show.
Multiply. Negative 37. All right. When you get to here, you kind of know it's not gonna work, right? What number you need over here? Positive 48. So when you get to this number, you already knew this not gonna work. Okay. So 1 not working. What else you want to try?
2.
48.
So, give one more, Chris. What else you want to try? 48,
2,
-1. Alternate. Usually alternate. One negative, one positive. You is fine.
it's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work. Do you want to try already?
No, I'm just saying, I don't know.
So not working, right? What else?
2,
What?
2.
This year I want to fun.
Mr.
No,
White,
but like
that's so
actually,
tedious.
it's like,
I know.
that's 2.
All right, 2, add them 2, 4, add them, negative
Oh, yeah.
18, multiply, there is something correct, is it correct?
No, it's not correct.
So cannot do math. Yes. So that's negative 48, okay, so we kind of know
Negative
it's -2,
2. Negative
right?
2.
Oh my god.
so we just have to do this until we find the right one?
Yes,
How many problems are you gonna go over?
20,
That's more.
Mister, you mean 20 divided by
That's negative 4. Then there's negative 3, 4. And that's 48.
found them, we found them. So when we on a test, I see someone crying, I know that we found them. Then you crying, mom, dad, I found it,
with this little pen.
Eureka, you know Eureka? Okay, how do you write this? All right, Chris, let's go again. X plus 2, this is going to be x cubed, right? Okay, x cubed by square x, okay. So what do you have? Oh, wait, hold on. It's not x cubed. We're doing this one, not this one. Yeah, so we're doing this one. We already took out the x out, so it's going to be 1 down from the x cubed, which means x square and x, okay? So x squared minus 2x minus 24. Do you need to do Rational Root Theorem again?
You waste you, I never did this.
Do you need to do Rational Root Theorem again?
Right?
Do we need to? No, this is 3 terms, we can use the parting combination, right? This one we can do, but this one we cannot do, because this is odd power again. This is even power, so you can do it. All right, 1 point for Chris.
Negative 6 and 4.
You can
6
buy it for you.
Negative
4.
4.
All right. So far so good. Solution is x equal to
2. It's negative 2. Negative 2.
x equal to
Negative 4.
x equal to.
6.
Question for you, is that correct? Is that finished? Are we done? Yeah?
No, we need one more.
You need one more solution?
There we go. Let's say clear 1 point. Yeah, we need more solution. Why? We have 4, right? The degree is 4, but we already found the 3. So that's something you need to be aware. Something missing. That's how you check it. Okay? Which one we missing? We finished our old friend x right here.
Wait, Melanie.
Yeah?
That's not mine.
X right here. So what is the solution here? X equal to 0.
It's okay, I think.
Now you have 4.
Wow.
Hang in there, hang in there. Okay, I'm not gonna give you so complicated problem like this on the test. This is just so you know how to do it. You don't be freak out when you see the big number, but I'm not gonna give you some tedious like this, okay?
Give them the homework.
Homework with a 40 problem.
What?
That's what you care. That's what you care.
Is it actually 20 questions?
We just tried
Oh.
it. I'll do it.
There's.
You will see. You will see.
I'm not sure you're right to give you another back.
What number is this?
You meant 40 divided by 10?
5.
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Don't ever say that in your life again. Like in your life.
You need to get her that too much.
Don't ever say that again.
Number 92.
It's why Glory.
We're gonna stop at 7.
Bro.
So to 2 more. Why are you okay at 40?
20 questions.
What do you mean 40 divided by?
You don't need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, who can help me with this? 3 terms, can we do combinations? Yeah, no, why?
Because of the cube, the cube.
It is a cube. It's a cube, that is a cube, okay? Because like if you do a combination, they need to be the same. But then you multiply them, you cannot have cube, right? Or even if you put the same two, they're not gonna. So this needs to be even. Yeah.
We're
Okay.
gonna have a P.
So then, what is P? What is Q? And what is P over Q?
P is 1.
Right. Very good. P is 1. So what is the factor of 1? Plus minus 1. You got it now. Now, Oma, what is the Q?
Plus minus 2.
Plus. Let's start from increasing order.
Plus minus 1.
Plus minus 1 and
Minus 2.
plus minus 2. No, what is the P over Q?
Is like those two. Plus minus 1.
Okay, plus minus 1 because 1 divided by 1.
And then plus minus 2. Nothing, the same. I don't know.
P divided by Q. Just do it. What is P? 1. What is Q? 1. That's what you got this. P. This is also Q.
1/2. Plus minus 1/2.
Plus minus 1/2. Okay, so what number you want to try?
Positive 1.
Yeah. Yeah, my brother, we say Michael there.
Oh, letter will have.
No.
1?
Yeah, 1, positive 1.
Okay. Let's try 1. I want you to help me with synthetic division. Oh, give Irma 1 point.
20%.
I want you to help me with the synthetic division.
I will.
All right, Ruby, let's go.
Whatever.
I need to do the section.
Why?
That's
Oh, no.
The section that it's not.
All right, keep it low, keep it low. Maybe I need a quiet group to be close to the recording, otherwise they cannot hear. You're closer to recording, so if you're too loud, they cannot hear it. It's fine, I know, thank you. So, not gonna work, right? What else? -1, yeah, all we do alternating. What number again? Okay,
I said that too.
-2.
oh, we found it. 1 point for Ruby, yes. So, I want you to help me to write it
I
down.
understand this. That is.
Present a point to the young guy, let's go.
X plus 1.
X plus 1, very good.
2x. 2x squared
Very good. So x cubed, 1 down is x squared, x here,
plus x
plus x
minus 1.
minus 1. 1 point per younger. Okay, 3 term. What method we're gonna use here? Smiley way. Yeah, 3 term is some smiley way because you have the number 2 here. That means you just use smiley way. So everything we learned before, you're gonna apply here. So smiley way means you also need to find combination of the front. What number 2 multiply to 2? 2 and 1. 1, only one pair, so 1, okay? So 2x, x, 1, and 1. Now negative means plus minus, okay? Now smiley way mean you're gonna find the inner smiley and outer smiley, and you see you're gonna get the positive x back, okay? 1 times x is
1x.
1x, and then 2x times negative 1. Negative 2x, when you add them, what do you have? Negative x. Does it match?
No.
No, but they're very close. They're only different from the sign. Yes, so you only need to flip the sign, okay? So flip the sign. So minus and plus. Okay, now let's try again. So negative 1 times x is negative x. 2x times 1 is 2x. Add them up, you have positive x. That's matching. So that's the correct one, okay? Now the last step is for the solution. X equal to
One negative 1.
negative 1, x equal to 1 over 2.
Made it sound expensive.
Remember to flip this, divide by this,
60.
okay? And x equal to
5.
-1.
Closer.
Is there anything special? No, doesn't matter.
We have double root.
Double root, -1 repeated twice. This is DR.
I don't know.
Yeah.
how it goes.
They give Joshua 1 point. No, he found a 1/2. Not a double root, but a 1/2.
Mr. Wait, no, never mind.
Okay. Oh, I thought you did.
Pull it out. What, you pull it out.
Pull it out, it's so satisfying. She said, when you pull it out, it's so satisfying.
Guys, I see something I don't know about it. You're the one who thought it, bruh.
You started laughing immediately after you said it. You tried changing it too. You tried changing it. You could think you like what I'm saying.
No,
You tried changing it.
wait, one.
We didn't train you, so we didn't give you mango last time.
He left. I gave.
Oh, that's.
I gave the one mango. What did I give?
I wanna
I
think.
gave this.
This goes outside. Yeah. That's how I kind of.
What?
One.
No, you're not. Oh, shit. Oh, no, I thought you were gonna.
I love Pilfer. Oh, yeah.
What?
Okay, now.
This is how to be in a test.
I say buy for the, I buy for the sound.
Okay, that's just not too.
Okay.
All right. That's true. That's true. You need to come down. Come down.
That's not on the thing.
We don't have a constant.
You're right. You don't have a constant. So what do you wanna do?
You have
You gonna
zero or one?
Huh? GCD,
Yeah.
right? There's no constant mean they all have X. And when they all have X, that means you can check it out. What do you have left? X4 plus 4x cubed plus 9x squared plus 7x plus 2. What PQ be over Q? Who wants to do this? Who wants to do any points? Johanna, let's go. I get some points. Q is 2. What is the factor of 2? Plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. What is Q? 1. So what is a Q?
So return.
Plus minus 1.
You know what I mean?
Right? So P over Q because Q is 1, so they're all here. So plus minus 1 and 2. Okay. One more for Johanna. What number you want to try?
What?
1. I want to have maybe synthetic division.
I forgot, mister, I forgot how to get P again.
P is a constant. You find all the factor of the 2.
Oh, okay.
Gary, let's go. Gary, help me with the synthetic division. What number here? 1, 4, 9, 7, 2. Drop down what you have. 1. Oh, you kind of know it's not gonna work, right? Because what number do you need here?
Negative.
-2. This is gonna give you -2, right? So let's try -1.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, one Gary, let's do one last one.
Oh, no,
-1,
no, one.
3, -3, 6, -6, 1, -1. So not the one
Let's
that's
try
wrong.
-2.
Positive two.
Wait,
Okay.
You didn't do it. You didn't do anything wrong.
That's fun.
-2? Negative.
What?
You want to make sure we didn't do anything wrong. Okay.
Negative one is not. Wait, no.
So one point for Gary. What number you want to try? -2?
That started with pretty high.
I think you go with this, so I'm gonna do this, okay?
Wait, man.
It's not gonna work. Let me see.
Actually, more than 10 probably.
5,972. 5.
The unit for missing.
Mister, you're wrong.
195. Oh,
We have to check at least 3 times to get the right
Mister,
answer.
did it depend?
no, I gave a wrong number. 5x4. So it should be 5 here.
Bro.
The
man.
unit back.
Mister, you think you get yourself better?
Going back.
So let's try again. It should be 5 here.
It's baby two.
Pero what I tell you, I did this plan.
So copy one down, 1, 6, 6, 15.
It won't work.
15 not gonna work, right? How about -1? 15972. Drop down 1, -1, 4, -4, 5, -5, 2, -2. That's the one.
Yeah.
That's the -2 gonna work. -1 gonna work. All right, who wants to give me right now? Sabrina? X +1. Very good. What about this? So 1 down power. All right, 1 power Sabrina, but who can help?
Is it X squared?
All right, who else?
Oh, yeah, X cube, sorry. X
You look at this
yeah,
one,
my bad,
okay?
my
You look at this one, not this one.
Yeah, X
All right, so
cube,
X cube.
X squared,
Bro, why?
X,
It's so hard.
and then you write.
So it's gonna be X cube plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 2.
And then we can, yeah, we can do root.
Can we do grouping?
No.
Can we do grouping here?
For that side, we're not gonna. No.
It's not gonna work. We already saw it because look at the number 1 and 4, 5 and 2. No matter what order you do, you're not gonna set the same coefficient. So you need to the back and front for the smiley way. That's the 3 term. That's the 3 term. Yeah,
Do it
yeah.
again.
Like the coefficient. The thing with the coefficient again. I don't know. Oh, yeah.
You gotta do it
We're
again.
gonna rational root again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So among the 4 candidates, we only try 1 and -1. So what are you going to try? So the good thing is you don't need to try the one we already did. Okay. So the one we haven't tried is what one you want to try? -2?
Yeah.
Now, question, do I try -2 with this or try -2 with this?
That.
Yeah, because this is one we want to go next, okay? So it's gonna be 1, 4, 5, 2. Yeah? So drop it down, so -2 is 2, -4 is 1, -2, so that's 0, that's the 1, 2. Right? Synthetic division. Oh, this is only 3 term now, so not grouping. So what is the power here? X square, right? It's more than 1 down from here, and then X. Okay. Donovan, can you help me to write this?
What? What? Wait, Mister. Wait.
Isn't the?
Wait, what did we use?
Okay, tell me what to write it. Tell me what to write.
X minus, no, plus 2,
X plus 2.
and then x squared plus 2x plus 1.
That's it. That's it.
And what about the x plus 1? Wait,
All right, X1 need to be there. That's it.
yeah, sure.
Maybe the rest?
You actually forgot the X right here.
Huh? Oh my.
Man, who cares?
I care. If you don't have it, I'm not checking one off.
Okay.
That solution, X is 0, right? Okay, okay. How many solutions you should have? 5. So you need to get 5 solutions. Okay. Are we gonna do the rational root again? Oh, if you want, but don't waste the time. 3 term. What is that?
Root.
Right.
No.
Root?
No.
What the combination? Only one combination, 1 and 1. You think 1 and 1 can give you 2? So x plus 2, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Do you see something happen? What is the solution here? And then x as well, yeah.
Triple root.
X equal to
What is
-2, x equal to -1,
triple root?
triple root.
Yeah.
Very good. Let's keep going to 1 minus point.
And
Triple
x
root.
equals 0.
X equal to 0. Okay.
I finally got my answer.
Last one, number 7, last one. Again, I know this is tedious, but it just get you ready. But on the test, I'm not gonna give you some complicated thing. Question? Oh.
Right now.
Oh,
I'm just being-
I already wrote it. Okay. 7 right here. I already wrote this. Are you done with this? Can I erase this?
Yes.
When I did that, you didn't give me.
Which one? Oh yeah, give that big 1 point. Yes. So you need to get one, right? And I'm like, oh, Mister, I didn't say anything. Can you give me point?
You can find the
No, I
GCD.
did.
Find the GCD. 3.
Very good. So actually, Lewis, let's go. Find the GCD first, right? I know you want to say grouping. That's why I let them say just GCD first. So GCD, because they all can be divided by 3, right? So 3x minus 2x squared minus 1 plus 2.
What is x?
Right, now Lewis, let's go. The same thing, you do grouping, same thing. Yeah, how do you group it? Right, the last two and the first two, they're always worse. Not always, but most of the time. What's the GCD? What do you have left? Okay, what is the GCD for last two? -1, yes, because this is negative, you need to take the -1 out. So what do you have left inside? X minus 2, okay? So the common factor here is x minus 2. So x minus 2 go out. What do you have left? X squared minus 1. Solution. You can find a solution right away, right? X equal to? And x equal to? X equal to 0?
No.
Okay, good. There's no letter, there's no 0, okay? 1 point for Lewis. So the point for this example is you don't need to overdo rational root theorem. Be careful when there is 4 terms, do the grouping. Is a 3 terms, do the combination, okay? So be aware of this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, done. Good job. So as I says, we have 40 problem for the homework.
Like I know.
Oh.
Don't ever say that. Don't ever say that again. I'm telling you, things are bad. Bad. Say that. Don't say that. Don't say it. It's not good to say it.
No, that's nothing special or the rap we're going about. So there's nothing special about it, okay?
It's a brand new.
But what is the simplicity of -1? What is the simplicity of -1? Another second.
I know.
Hey, Mr. Music.
All right. Everybody had a homework?
Actually, put my.
First, okay. First, it is not 40.